Hello, this is just a quick update for Marduk. I tried putting a lever to make the torso rotate, but it theoretically works when you rotate the torso, but not the other way around. And that's, I think, because it's a little loose. So I'm going to have to do is maybe put a board from this post to the body right there. And maybe it'll work, but worst case scenario, I'll be doing a bit of switch wizardry and actually making it powered by a small motor. Probably what I originally planned for the power steering, and just get a linear actuator to do the power steering itself. Both of which could probably run off a car battery for about, an hour or so, given the current ratings. But I haven't done much else in the way of work besides that. I'm probably going to be adding a sort of half another part of the deck below that to support the legs. Sort of similar to the previous wooden version, but only like a post here, post there, still be empty in the middle. And that is all for today, so I will be making another update video when I've got those extra leg posts attached. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.